Okay, welcome back to the Flip class. Today we're going to do a very quick review of converting time and also converting temperature. Okay? In your books, on page 496, you will see this chart, and this is converting time. Now, we're all very familiar with time, but this is the chart that just shows you exactly what conversions we're going to be looking at. You know there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. You know there's 60 minutes in an hour. You know there's 24 hours in a day. You know there's 7 days in a week. 52 weeks in a year, 12 months in a year, 365 days in a year. Okay? So let's say you are asked to convert 1 minute, 45 seconds into seconds. We want to know what the whole thing is. Okay? Well, we know there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay? So I know that this 1 minute is 60 seconds. And then I still have my 45 seconds. 60 plus 45 is 105. So 1 minute 45 seconds is also 105 seconds. I asked you to convert 450 minutes into blank hours. Well, we would have 450. We could multiply that by, we know there's 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, the minutes would cancel out. 450 times 1, you get 450 over 60. How many times does 60 go into 450? Okay, let's do the division. 450 divided by 60. 60, it's not going to 45, but it does go into 450. So I'm going to count by sixes because I see 6 and I see 45 and I know my zeros can cancel out. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. It can't go up anymore. So I know that's 7 times. 7 times 6 is going to give us 420. 7 times 60. Subtract it out. We end up with 0, 3, 30. 60 does not go into 30, so I have 30 left over. 30 minutes is what? Okay, 1/2 of an hour. Okay, so 7.5 hours is what 450 minutes would translate into. If we wanted to know 6 weeks is how many hours? Okay, well, this is how I would think about it. Now, we can do the same kind of problem that we just did, but I know that in 1 day there's 24 hours, okay? There's 7 days in a week. 7 times 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2, 16. So there's 168 hours in 1 week. Multiply that by 6 weeks. 6 times 8. 48, carry the 4. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 4 is 40. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. We're looking at 1,008 hours in 6 weeks. Okay, let's move on to temperature. To go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you see the conversion there. 9/5 times the Celsius temperature plus 32. What we're going to be working on is just approximations. We're not going to be finding the exact temperature. We're going to be finding about the exact temperature. Okay, so let's say I said the Celsius was 20 degrees. Okay, and I want to know what that is in Fahrenheit, in degrees Fahrenheit, which is what we use. Okay, well, this is how I'm going to do it. 9/5 times 20 plus 32. 9/5 is about 2, right? 10/5 would be exactly 2. So since we're approximating, okay, we're estimating, I'm going to say 2 times 20, and I'm going to do that first because of my order of operations, plus 32. Well, 2 times 20 is 40, plus 32, 72. So 20 degrees Celsius is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go the other way now. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's say we wanted to go, we'll use the example in the book, 50 degrees Fahrenheit is what in Celsius? Well, we're going to do this. Celsius equals 5/9, not 9/5, but 5/9, because we're going back the other way. And then Fahrenheit minus 32. So 50 minus 32. Okay. Again, we're estimating now. 5/9 is almost 1/2. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say that it is 1/2. We're estimating. We're not finding the exact answer. Since I have my parentheses here, I know from PEMDAS I'm going to do that first. 50 minus 30 is 20. Then take away the other 2, I got 18. So 1/2 of 18, 1/2 times 18 gives us 9 degrees. So 50 degrees Fahrenheit is about, or approximately, 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're going to work more on this the next time I see you. Just want to do a quick review and give you a little bit of a preview of what we'll be working on. I'll see you in class.